Are you also running a digital marketing agency business and want to automate the conversation between you and your customer? Then this video is definitely for you. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and see what we are going to build today. So here I'm going to send a message that is hello. So here in this video I will be creating a WhatsApp chatbot for digital marketing agency business. So right here you can see that I'm getting this welcome message, and here I'm getting two buttons, that is our services and pricing and plans. So here I will be selecting this first button, that is our services, and as I have selected this button I'm getting the list of the services provided by this business. So now let's open this list and check out the services. So right here I'm getting some of the services. So here I'm going to select this first service, that is social media marketing, and as I have selected this first service I'm getting a message consisting the details of the service, and here I'm getting this button, that is book consultation. So I'm going to just select this button, and as I have selected this button I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user. So now let me just type it, and here I'm going to just enter it, and as I have provided my full name I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my business name. So here I'm going to enter my business name as XYZ Limited. So here I have provided my business name as well, and as I have provided my business name I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my email address. So here I'm going to enter my email address as demo@pabblytudes.com. So here I'm going to just provide this email address, and as I have provided my email address I'm getting this confirmation message. Now let's move on towards my second button, that is pricing plans, and as I have selected this button I'm getting the details of the packages provided by this particular business. So now you can see this is the way our WhatsApp chatbot is going to work, by using which you don't have to provide your service details by manually sending the messages again and again to your clients or customers, because this WhatsApp chatbot is going to do so, and it is going to provide all the services provided by your business, and it is going to provide all the details of the services, and by using this WhatsApp chatbot your users can book the consultation too, and you don't have to type even a single word. And now let me show you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by using an amazing automation tool provided by Pabbly, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And for creating it, let's move on towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we are going to create this amazing chatbot. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to access it by opening the new tab and tapping its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for creating and testing this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the flow page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And now here we are getting this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which initiates our WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, or many more. But here I am going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be thinking, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the same keyword which we are going to enter over here. So here I'm going to just type the keyword and press the enter key, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex, which is used for the advanced user input. And here on the left hand side you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if a user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message, and for that you just have to drag and drop, and right here we are getting all these message notes which you can get from this message block too. And from here I'm going to select text button. Now in this text button node I'm going to enter a welcome message for my customers. So here I have entered this welcome message. Now I'm going to create some buttons in this text button node. So for that we just have to click over this add button, and here I'm going to enter my button name as our services, and from this field you can select your button type, either quick reply or link if you want this button to react as a link. Now I'm going to create one more button. So here I have created my second button too. Now if my users select this first button, that is our services, I'm going to provide them list of the services offered by my business. So for that I'm going to use the list node given over the message block, and now here I'm going to enter a body for my list. So here I have entered this body for my list. Now I'm going to create a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I'm going to enter my section title as services, and afterwards in this section I'm going to add some list items. So here I have entered the section title. Now let's click over this add items for adding some items or some services in this particular section. So right here I have created the first item of my list, or the first service, that is social media marketing. Now likewise I am going to add some more items to this list by simply selecting this add items. So here I have added some more items to my list. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I want to get the response which my user has selected, or the service which my user has selected. And for that we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. And for providing the contact custom field, you just have to move over the actions where you will see this node, that is set custom field. And now I'm going to connect it with my first list item. Now from here I'm going to select my contact custom field as service type. And now you might be thinking, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here this contact custom field service type will consist of the service type selected by my user. And for creating your own contact custom field, you just have to go towards the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page where you can create your own contact custom field by simply selecting this add more field button. And now here it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. So here I have entered the same value for which I am creating the contact custom field. Now let's provide the contact custom field to remaining list items too. So here I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I'm going to provide them details of that particular service in the text button node. So here I'm going to select it. Now let's enter the details. So right here you can see that I have provided the details of this first service, that is social media marketing, and here I have created this button, that is book consultation. Now I am going to do the same for remaining list items too. So here I have provided the details of all the services. Now if my user select this button, that is book consultation, I am going to ask them some questions, and for that I am going to use this node, that is ask question. So here I am going to enter a question asking for the full name of my lead or the user. But let me firstly connect all these book consultation button with this question node so that my user can be redirected as soon as they select this button. And here I am going to enter this question asking for the full name. Now let's select the contact custom field as full name too, and here I'm going to select my format as any. Now likewise I'm going to add some more questions to this flow. So right here you can see that I have added two more questions asking for the business name and the email address, and right here I have used this contact custom field, that is full name, and before that I have added this $sign which will help me to send personalized message. And right here you can see that we have received this personalized message which says thanks demo user, and this is the same name which I have recently provided. So by using this contact custom field and this $sign, we can send personalized message, and this is the same contact custom field which we have recently selected for this question, that is for the full name. And now if my user provides me answer of all these questions, I'm going to provide them a confirmation message in the text button node. So this is the confirmation message which I'm going to send. Now let's move on towards my second button, that is pricing plans, and I'm going to provide the pricing plans in the text button node again. So here you can check out all these packages provided by this business. So now we have successfully created the flow for a digital marketing agency business. So now you can also automate your business too by using this WhatsApp chatbot flow. Now we just have to save it by simply selecting the save button, and now you can automate the entire conversation between you and your customers by using this chatbot. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.